It just keeps coming. I was playing back the last one and it huge flash, so now I'm trying to get it some more because it seems to be coming right in this area, all the lightning. Oh, there you go. Hey, if you can't photograph it, might as well videotape it, right? The market in Dora, south of Baghdad. Today it's thriving with food, produce, and security. But the rain is pretty much stopped. We did have a little bit. Oh no, it's still raining. I can see it. Just can't see it through the lens. But it was pretty crazy at first, and you can see the streets pretty flooded still. We had a lot of problems with flooding on this street, especially over to the right. But we had the street was repaved and they fixed the sewer systems, but still happens, I guess, especially when you get that much rain in that little of a time. What? So, some thunder, but I didn't see any lightning. Come on, bring it on. At least my car got washed. That's happy news. Oh, I missed it! Of course. Maybe we can hear it. Yep. It's moving away slowly but surely. But I would like another big one. Come on, Papa. Give us a big one, just don't freak me out too much. Yeah, it's moving away now. It's just one big old shelf cloud. My mom and I got in just in time. Hey, yeah, I got that one. All right. I think we can end on that.